Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs under the microscope to see which one helps you get into those elusive bot lobbies in any game. And we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your gaming sessions. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right when it comes to bot lobbies? They've got the essentials down. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your gamer ID and data stay safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never get kicked out of a game or left exposed while chasing those bot matches. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track which servers you connect to or what you play. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters for getting reliable bot lobbies. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for bot lobbies because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy and avoiding detection by game servers. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could be full of tracker scams or fake offers, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you connect with friends for a super secure, custom bot lobby. The one small downside? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now, that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can run it on your PC, console, and phone all at once while hunting those bot lobbies. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy gamer can peek at their code for backdoors or sneaky tracking. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a promise. It's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce, it owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen, they have full control over all their gear, which means a more stable connection for you when jumping into those less crowded, bot-heavy servers. And for any gamer dealing with laggy connections, it provides a SOC 5 proxy for the lowest ping possible. This can help route your game traffic for a potential boost. Just keep in mind you're sacrificing a layer of encryption for that lower ping. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for landing bot lobbies? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means less lag and smoother matchmaking. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady ping times using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found its performance can vary, with ping that spikes depending on the server you pick. So, which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Pick NordVPN if low ping is your top priority, you can't stand lag in any game, or you want the best all-around VPN with the most features to support your bot lobby runs. Go with IPVanish if you have a ton of gadgets or a whole squad of gamers hunting bots together. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you're on a budget or a privacy-focused gamer who needs proof to back up claims. Its open-source apps and proven no-logs record are truly one of a kind. And that's it. We're out of time. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running to get into those bot lobbies. See you soon.